Hi friend, you are watching Gemstone Deal channel. Today we have a new interesting topic for you, and this is you can say the superstitious things in our environment, the people who don't know about the gemstone and some kinds of specific stones which having the miracle activities and miracle characteristics. So we have to know about that stones, which are the qualities and the characteristics of the stone we will discuss in this video. Especially turquoise is also a miracle stone, having a beautiful color, having beautiful pattern on the surface. You can find due to the pyrite, due to the black material inside, sometimes due to white spots inside, and different kinds of material mixing in this amazing stone, and giving a different look, beautiful look, and color also very beautiful. So here we will discuss about the turquoise, and before going towards the video, I would like to say that please subscribe my channel, and you can find also along with that bell icon button also. Please click for the notification of the new uploaded videos every day. So guys, here things are very important to let you to know that about the turquoise, people saying that and thinking also that it changes the color step by step and time to time. What is the mystery inside? What is the story behind the scene? And it is actually can be happen or not. This thing we will discuss today in this video. And in my experience, if I truly say that in my experience that it is only not a miracle, it is only happening due to the weather changes. If so, for example, nowadays weather is cold everywhere in the world. Somewhere is snow falling, somewhere if normal temperature it is like 20 centigrades plus and 25, like this temperature everywhere in the world you can find. Due to the weather changes, due to dropping the centigrades and temperature, it changes the color. For example, if some stones having, you can say, very little color, and that is also a sky blue color, and in the temperature like 20 centigrade, 15 centigrade, even in the minus also you can say, where snow falling, it gets strong with the passage of the time, time to time, stepwise. It can be changed the color and can be strengthened. And if comparatively you talk about the weather like hot weather, like 30 to 35 centigrade or 40 centigrade temperature, then the color of the stone will be more decreased. So that's why due to the changes of the weather, the stone can be changed, stone can be enhancing or getting low the color of the stone, and there are some changes. If somebody think about that, the changes are due to some miracles. There is no miracle inside turquoise. People thinking like that, if they wear the stone and it changes the color, but it is actually it is happening due to the weather. But they think that when I wear the stone, it changes the color, and when I get something in reality, that something coming in my favor, and something environment also coming in my favor, and people are coming in my favor, and my disease is also going to cure, then that was changes the color. And due to my diseases, due to my problematic life, it changes the color. It is not the fact. It changes the color only due to the weather, not your mistakes, not your illnesses, not your spiritual weaknesses. It also strengthens the color with the weather changes. So it is very important to know that what is the reason behind that the turquoise changes the color. So the reason I told you here, and you have to keep in mind always, all the superstitious things in the environment circulating that are totally fake, totally false, and no need to believe on it. That I told you, this is the real thing, this is the reality of the stones, and many stones having in the market that can change the changes the fire asterisms and star asterisms and other changes can be happen due to the weather. But some stones having like you can say alexandrite changes the color. That is a different thing. It always changes the color throughout the period, throughout the year, and no need to put in the centigrades of under 20 or up to 20. It always same as any kind of weather anywhere in the world, but it's inside something like that specific thing which showing the color different in sunlight, different in tube light, different in normal light in the room. So these changes are only due to the stones characteristics inside. So many stones having the many stories, and you can not imagine that what kinds of the stone in the world, and even you did not see that, and you cannot say that this is something miracle. Miracle has, of course, of God that created these things. Of course, this is a miracle, but it is not a miracle that changes color due to your observing your illnesses, your weaknesses, your negative energies, and it is not like that people thinking so. So I think you will like this video, and I hope you will share and like it also. If you have any question, you can ask me in the description already given the WhatsApp number. You can contact me directly. If you want to buy from us some quality, cheap, and 100% guaranteed stones, you can contact with us without any problem. We will send you by courier everywhere you live in the world. So guys, I think this information will be beneficial for you, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.